Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex swing trading, using the TC2000 platform. This is the Forex Week in Review for 1 October at 1600 or 4 p.m. Central Time. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. What we got here basically is no trade. It's kind of drifting and a consolidation pattern around the RL10, and there were no signals at all for Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, on the other hand, we had two trades, one long and one short. What we have here, no trade, was red on the Heikin-Ashi. Here's initial trade with a loss, another trade with another loss here for Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, two trades. We had initial long here and closed out here for a little less than break even on that one. And then we had 1, 2, 3 punch out. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, no trade, just continuation from previous week. Aussie dollar, US dollar, two trades. We had initial trade with it out and another trade here with an out, and then two shorts. Initial trade here, out at the RL90, initial trade here, out for a loss. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, actually had no trade. Continuation from previous week, and was not in agreement with Heikin-Ashi. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, we had two trades here. Initial long here with a loss, and then an initial short here with an overall gain here at the 200 as a target. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, we had two trades, one long, one short. Here, initial loss here on this trade, and then a 1, 2, 3 punch out. Euro, Aussie dollar, two trades, both shorts. Initial trade here with a loss, initial trade here with a gain. Euro, Canadian dollar, no trade. Just like Aussie Canadian dollar, just kind of drifted around RL10, not in agreement with the Heikin-Ashi. Euro, British pound, we had one trade for a short, overall loss. As it's up here, it was over the Heikin-Ashi Z3, so we didn't take this trade, and a good thing we didn't, because it came as an overall loss. So trading around the Z3, 3% chance going in that direction without a potential retracement. 97% chance of a potential retracement. Euro, Japanese yen, we had two trades, one short and one long. Initial trade here out at the 200. Initial trade here out for a small loss here on the Euro, Japanese yen. Euro, New Zealand dollar, we had two trades, one long, one short. Initial trade here for a loss, and then an initial trade here for a 1, 2, 3 overall loss for two lots. Euro, US dollar, we had one trade here, beautiful 1, 2, 3 punch out. British pound, Aussie dollar, two shorts. Initial trade here, out for a loss, and then initial trade here, out for a small gain here. British pound, Canadian dollar, nice trade here, went ahead and did risk to reward out at Z3 for a nice gain for a 1, 2. All right, British pound, Swiss franc, one long, one short. Initial trade here, out for a loss. Then a 1, 2, out for a loss here. It did not end up as a 1, 2, 3. Came back and hit my stop here at the high on the second candle. British pound, Japanese yen, two trades, one short. Initial trade long, out for a loss here. Then a 1, 2, 3 punch out. British pound, New Zealand dollar, two longs. This was difficult trading. It's right up against the 200. As we have here, initial trade here, out in for a small gain here. Initial trade here, out for a loss here. British pound, US dollar, initial trade here, out for a loss, and this is right up against past the Z3, so no trade for the rest of the week. New Zealand Canadian dollar, one trade as far as the short goes. Initial trade here, out for a gain here, small gain here for a 1, 2, 3 punch out. New Zealand Swiss franc for a short, overall gain for this 1, 2, 3. That's small gain overall. New Zealand Japanese yen, initial loss here on this long, then a 1, 2, 3 punch out. New Zealand US dollar on the short, not in agreement with the Heikin-Ashi. In for the short, out for the Z3 on the Heikin-Ashi for a nice overall gain. New Zealand US dollar, yep, out at Z3. US Canadian dollar, one long, overall loss. We had a 1 here with initial trade here, out at the low here. Could be an emerging drag, and we'll see if it can continue to get above this particular high over here, or stay above the hump of the dragon here. The dragon comes back and crosses this. US dollar, Swiss franc, had initial trade here for a nice 1, 2, 3 punch out. That was the best overall trade overall. US dollar, Japanese yen, hugging the Z3, no trade during this particular time. Silver had an overall to the downside. Could be a potential collapsing dragon. We'll have to see. Unless it can gain steam and continue to go to the upside. Right now it's at a pinnacle moment here where this price action is higher than this pricing. However, on the MACD, we show some positive divergence going there. So this could be some potential to the upside. We'll see. Same thing with gold and US dollar. Got some positive divergence, and if this continues to go up, this will be a nice W for more price action to the upside. But we'll have to see. Folks, that's all I got for the Forex Weekend Review. We're currently conducting a Forex Bootcamp and Forex Intermediate course and a Forex Programming Advanced course. If you're interested, click on the link below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information on TC2000, I have an affiliate link below. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.